Hello and welcome to Polyprint's presentation. My name is Joseph Glopoulos and I'm Polyprint's CEO. I will quickly introduce our company, our history and our products, along with my colleague Dimitris Lodas. In this following presentation, Dimitris will show you how DTG can help garment decorators grow. He will also provide insights about the latest DTG trends and our latest technological developments. So Polyprint was created back in 2003, but it was first founded in 1976 by my father Nikos Beglopoulos. He was a visionary for his time, and his goal was to educate businesses and help them grow. Selling screen printing machinery and consumables at that time, he made it his mission to help small businesses advance and teach them how to print. Polyprint started developing and marketing DTG printers in 2006, so we have 15 years of experience in the field. Actually, our first DTG printer was launched at FESPA Amsterdam in 2006. Today, we continue to work with small to medium-sized companies, helping garment decorators grow through ongoing education, training, and support. We have created a global network of distributors in all 5 continents across the world, and most recently, we have created a subsidiary in USA, the company Polyprint USA. Over the years, we have invested heavily in R&D and launched numerous DTG products, like the most recent TechSet Eco 2 and TechSet Shorty 2 DTG printers, and our new printer machine, the Printer Pro. The Printer Pro was developed in order to solve a significant problem in the DTG process after popular customer demand: the need to achieve top quality prints, consistency in repeated jobs, and improved washability while saving on printed liquids. Furthermore, we recently launched a direct-to-film printing solution that can be done by our TechSet DTG printers. This means that every TechSet DTG printer owner can use the DTG and Ddf printing process by using the same machine with exactly the same ink type, without any modifications. The Ddf solution will allow our DTG users to expand their product portfolio with sportswear, professional clothing, hats, bags, clothing labels, logos, and more. DTG users can now widen their printing spectrum on textiles they were not able to print before, like dark polyester, nylon, cotton polyblends, etc. This means that garment decorators don't have to invest on separate equipment. TechSet printers can print both DTG and DTF. Our product developments follow the DTG industry trends. DTG growth has been significant during the past few years, even during the pandemic, with e-commerce creating a push for customized on-demand print jobs without keeping stock and using environmentally friendly technology. We are devoted to creating a local supply chain of Polyprint products to help apparel decorators grow by offering state-of-the-art yet affordable DTG products. That's enough for me. I will now leave you to my colleague Dimitris Lodas to continue with his presentation.
Oh, hello, Efren. I'm going to welcome you by my side to the Polyprint DTG FESPA Innovations and Trends 2021 online presentation. This is Dimitrios, sales executive and a member of the Polyprint team for the last couple of years. I enjoyed being amongst the experts of the DTG field, delivering high-quality products and overall helping garment decorators grow within a challenging industry. Speaking of which, we suggest entrepreneurs to follow the direct-to-garment path for a number of reasons. The increased localized production, the need for sustainability, and the booming online sales are setting new standards such as shorter production runs, on-demand printing, and smaller orders of custom-made, personalized products. Moving on, the DTG printing method can be a perfect fit for all the above needs, since it is digital and comes with a small footprint, requiring no setup costs. DTG provides unlimited colors with unparalleled print quality, while it is also eco-friendly, with low energy consumption and limited waste. Furthermore, DTG businesses can be really direct with same-day delivery for small runs, while the production of medium batches is also affordable, leaving no stock behind. They have the ability to respond quickly to trends, sample the work, even accept single unit orders. Added benefit that comes with DTG is that operators can adjust the print size according to the garment size, easily resizing with no extra costs while the accuracy of the colors remain untouched. Moving on to the next slide, interesting also is to see how the need for mass personalization is rising, as shown in the next slide. It seems that 48% of consumers are willing to wait longer in order to receive the personalized order, while another 53% is more likely to suggest a product if this can be personalized. You can see the main reasons that lead to personalization, the exact product types that can be personalized, with clothing always leading the way, and to what kind of extent. As for what triggers personalization the most, you can see that people prefer to use personalized products as gifts. Owning a unique item is another reason that tops the survey, while the instant joy that someone gets from actually wearing the outcome of such a creation is undescribable. So, what is driving DTG growth? Living in these challenging times for our planet, the need to preserve it the best way possible is driving the textile industry towards environmental sustainability. It is essential that energy and water consumption is reduced and environmental pollution is limited. A characteristic example of the just mentioned is that in USA only, 14 million tons of garments every year, meaning over 36 kilos per person, end up in garbage dumps. And this is outrageous. So, moving on, how can this so-called environmental sustainability be achieved? First and foremost, by printing smaller runs per order instead of mass production. Then localize this production where the demand exists. Innovation in the DTG world is also bringing automation to the table, while efficiency is achieved in the supply chain. So, where does Polyprint stand in all that? We at Polyprint specialize in DTG printing technology, designing, developing, and manufacturing DTG products since 2005. We help garment decorators start and grow successfully with cost-efficient solutions as well as great service and support. Moving on, all of our products are produced in-house, starting the journey from Thessaloniki, Greece, where our head offices are, and also displayed in our demo room in Athens. On top of that, we have very recently launched our subsidiary company in the USA to serve a constantly growing network, while we're proud of our distribution network in 50 plus countries all over the world, as shown in the map. Moving on with our history in brief, that starts back in 1976 when Mr. Nikolaos Benglopoulos, father of our CEO George, was selling screen printing machinery and consumables to the local market. The first installation of a roll-to-roll sublimation printer took place in 1998, while Polyprint, as we know today, was found in 2003. 2 years later than that, our team back then managed to launch the very first textured DTG printer, while 1,000 installations worldwide were reached in 2011. 2012 was the year we came up with an innovation in the industry, launching the screen and digital mix, a solution that combines the benefits of both screen printing and DTG. In 2016, we moved from single to multiple product solutions, such as the Shorty, Echo, and the Motor More. Since 2017, we're being represented by distributors in 65 countries in all 5 continents. Our latest achievements were, of course, the launch of the TechSet Echo 2 and the Shorter 2 in 2018 and 2019 respectively, while we lastly founded our US company and launched another product, the Predator Pro, in 2020. Moving on, why Polyprint? Polyprint DTG takes pride in being one of the top 3 players in the European market, and not only, as we have gained trust of the global DTG market. Polyprint is 100% focused in delivering DTG high-end products, while innovation is always part of the process. With the end customer in mind, we provide technical, sales, and marketing support, while we make sure customers get ongoing guidance and training by DTG professionals. Top quality support and training is our top priority. With the end customer in mind, we are so being customer-centered. Polyprint tries to be as close as possible to the customer needs and offer tons of value with personalized business consultations, DTG guidance and webinars, and all of that performed in live video chats as well. In addition, we have created a DTG dedicated and specialized knowledge base with articles, user guides, tutorials, etc. that is available online 24/7. Not only that, as you will see in the next slide, that our product users can get direct help from DTG experts and on-site support by well-trained technicians via our worldwide distribution network. Well, hosting all departments in-house, moving on to our product lineup, that is to be research and development, production and marketing. Polyprint DTG delivers a full lineup of printers, pre-treatment machines, inks and consumables, as well as various accessories. To elaborate on in the next slide, first come our printers, the TechSet series consisting of the Echo 2 and the Shorty 2, with their main difference being the max printable area. Both of them, though, share specific features and come with certain benefits. Their small footprint makes them ideal for smaller workspaces, and especially for the Shorty 2, the printer is actually portable, allowing operators to work from anywhere. The automatic height adjustment feature helps change between applications with no hassle, while the lowest ink cost per print, along with the simplified maintenance, lowers operating costs to minimum. Moving on, superior print quality is our top priority for TechSet printer users, and the low operating costs can surely provide fast return of investment for businesses. Polyprint also prioritizes high customer service, making products that are easy to use and easy to be maintained. Next in line is our brand new pre-treatment solution, the Predator Pro. And here's a quick question. Why do we actually pre-treat fabrics? Well, for dark color garments, the pre-treatment liquid is essential to create a bond between the fabric and the white ink, while for the light colored garments, cotton and polyester, it makes print cleaner, more vibrant, and of course more durable. The machine will offer you just that, a 100% precise spray area with the linear and grid-edit modes, allowing for liquid safe. Operators can also select the exact amount of liquid they want to spray, while the auto liquids recirculation system will provide spray consistency since liquids remain uniform in the tanks. To carry on, our inks are Oikotex certified and come with both refillable and sealed cartridges depending on the printer. In order to cover as many DTG applications as possible, in the next slide, we deliver a number of accessories such as the snap-on platters. We are currently offering 14 different shapes and sizes according to the need of the customer, and the specially made stands that will put any workspace in order. Last but not least, moving on, comes the Ddf Express solution that perfectly complements the use of DTG, since this allows users to expand their portfolio with dark and light polyester, nylon, cotton polyblends, and more, delivering a wide range of applications. That is to be sportswear, hats, bags, professional clothing, pet wear, clothing labels, etc. Well, there is a demo video coming up a bit later about this new trend. Do not miss the opportunity to see how to print direct-to-film transfers with the texted DTG printers. Well, regarding DTG business opportunities now on the next slide. Well, as stated before, DTG gives garment decorators the chance to exploit a vast number of possibilities within the textile industry. Custom-made apparel, and the personalization that comes with it in any aspect, fashion design and business branding, advertising and professional clothing, fashion accessories, home textile along with fulfillment services, even educational institutes are fields that a DTG business can seek opportunity as well as profit and revenue. To sum up, as we're getting to the end of this presentation, I would like to stress out the most important points of it. Direct-to-garment is a business field of continuous growth as it allows for sustainable production, e-commerce, and localization. Polyprint is DTG specialized and focused, with many years of experience in the field. We in-house develop and produce DTG printers and pre-treatment machines, while we offer a full range of DTG solutions and consumables. Specifically, our printers provide high print quality at the lowest real cost to print in the industry. All in all, we are here to pave your path to business success with the best possible support. George and myself would like to thank you for attending the presentation of the Polyprint DTG company, and hope meeting together with you soon.
And a couple of questions from my side. Do existing TextJet users have to change their ink setups?
Excuse me, Michael.
Yeah,
excuse us. George will be with us in a sec, so he can also respond to the question.
Okay, brilliant. Good to see you again, George. George, great opening presentation. Thank you. Do existing TextJet users have to change their ink setups?
You mean about for printing with DTF? This your question is about?
Yes.
No.
Correct.
You
yes.
don't have to change anything. Same machine, same ink setup. Everything is the same. They just have to download the software update that includes the new print modes that enables them to print on films.
Okay. And am I correct by saying that you don't have to pre-treat garments for DTF as well? Is that correct?
Of course. No pre-treat is needed. Just the specific DTF equipment. That is to be the film, the powder, and we're also offering the anti-slipping pad in order to keep the film straight and secure.
And also a really important topic in terms of DTG is maintenance. What advice can you share with us?
Regarding maintenance, the DTG users that are going to print DTF, they follow exactly the same procedures for maintenance. So there's nothing really special about that. Just keep it clean, and it will deliver to you the way you expect it to be.
Fantastic. If we talk about design, what RIP software is included with the TextJet printers?
It's a cutting Software, Polyprint edition of Digital Factory Apparel, and this is a bundle with the printer, so it is provided for free with its TextJet printer.
Very good. And is that the same for the DTF Express then as well?
Exactly. Yep, that is the same. We have created a new profile in Catalink, so our users can easily use that and upgrade. For most of them is for free. so they have the latest version and move forward with that.
Very good. Thank you for joining us, guys, and for all the audience out there. Polyprint are available in the product demo area throughout the day, and I've also got some technical seminars coming up later on this afternoon. George, Demetrios, thank you very much.
For the opportunity.
Thank you, Michael, and I hope to see you in person next October in Amsterdam.
Excellent. Brilliant. Thank you.